Hi guys, in this video I show you how to fix 80% of all system errors, stuck issues or corrupted files in Windows 11. First, press the Windows key on your keyboard or just click on the Windows icon in your taskbar. You can also just click inside the search bar and type in CMD. Right click on the CMD search result and run it as administrator. In the black command window type in sfc/scannow and hit enter. You can also just copy and paste it from my video description. After that, wait for the scan to complete. Once the scan has finished, type in the following command and press enter. Same for this command, you can copy and paste it from my video description. Wait until it is completed. This can take a few minutes. For the last step to solve your problem, it can help to restart the Windows Explorer. To do this, right click on your taskbar and click on Task Manager. You can also just press the Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape button on your keyboard to open the Task Manager. Find the Windows Explorer inside your processes, right click and select Restart. Finally, restart your computer and most of the system problems should be fixed. Thank you for watching and see you next time.